Imagine a world where the line between human and machine completely vanishes. For decades, that dream lived inside Ghost in the Shell. It is the gold standard of cyberpunk. But for a long time, fans felt left in the dark. Then came Anime Expo. The atmosphere was electric. The crowd was starving for something authentic. When the first episode of the new Reboot hit the screen, the energy shifted. This isn't just another corporate cash grab. It feels like a genuine love letter to the community. We're talking about a fresh rebirth of one of the most influential worlds in anime history. The visuals are sharp. The vibe is haunting. It is the return of the philosophical grit we have been craving. The cyberpunk dream is finally back, and it looks more dangerous than ever. This is the moment we have been waiting for. Because Ghost in the Shell didn't just define cyberpunk anime. It basically invented the entire template. The original manga launched in 1989. Then director Mamoru Oshai's 1995 film dropped, and it completely shattered what people thought anime could actually be. It merged heavy AI philosophy with action sequences that nobody had ever seen before. Hollywood took notes. The Matrix directors straight up studied it. It influenced everything from anime to sci-fi blockbusters globally. It was gorgeous, cerebral, unapologetically weird in the best way. 30 years later, that core DNA still hits different every time. Fans debate its themes about consciousness and identity constantly. The soundtrack, animation, moral philosophy, all timeless. So when a reboot happens, it's not just another adaptation story. It's a genuine chance to prove that original soul still matters today. Fast forward to Anime Expo 2026. The energy was electric. Thousands of fans packed the main hall for the first episode's debut. When the lights dimmed, the new trailer hit the screen. It wasn't just a teaser. It was a visual assault. We saw a reimagined Newport City dripping in neon and rain. The animation style blends traditional hand-drawn grit with cutting-edge 3D depth. The crowd went silent during the first reveal of Major Motoko Kusanagi. Then, the room exploded. People were literally standing on chairs. Production notes reveal a massive budget increase for the environmental art. They spent months perfecting the way light reflects off cybernetic skin. The goal was total immersion. The premiere proved one thing. The hunger for high-concept cyberpunk is stronger than ever. This isn't just a nostalgia trip. It is a technical powerhouse. But here's what matters most. It doesn't abandon the franchise's soul. The story gets a modern twist. New characters join the Major. The entire world feels completely rebuilt from scratch. You've got fresh faces standing alongside the legends we love. New tech replaces old tools and systems. Dialogue that fits 2026, not 1995. The animation aesthetics evolved too. Visuals that would make 1989 explode. Yet those existential questions remain untouched, still waiting for answers. What makes you you? Where does consciousness end and code begin? The anime was about identity in the digital age. This reboot asks those same questions with modern stakes and new urgency. A completely updated setting. New threats emerge constantly. Same existential weight. The franchise's DNA is intact here. That's the balance they're striking. Honoring what came before. Pushing everything forward into new territory. Twitter lit up with hashtag #GhostShellReboot trending within minutes. Over 120,000 tweets praised the neon lighting. Reddit's r/cyberpunk exploded. Threads comparing the new art to Blade Runner cityscapes. One user posted side-by-side frames, noting the same grainy texture that defined the 1995 original. Critics from IGN gave it an 8.5, calling the director's homage masterful restraint. GameSpot highlighted the soundtrack, pointing out the synthwave tracks that echo classic arcade scores. Longtime fans are chanting, finally, a love letter, because the story respects Motoko's existential dread while adding fresh tech. Even skeptics admit the pacing feels tighter than the 1995 film's runtime. The trailer amassed over 3 million views in its first 24 hours. You can hear the buzz on Discord servers, where fans quote lines verbatim. The consensus? This reboot captures cyberpunk's soul without drowning in nostalgia. Here's what matters most. Remakes are everywhere. Most play it safe, water things down significantly. But this one understands the original's essence perfectly. The visuals absolutely pop. The story lands with impact. The themes resonate deeply. It honors the source while forging something genuinely new and exciting. That's the blueprint right there. This reboot proves you can evolve a classic without losing what fans love. Other major franchises are taking notes. Cyberpunk isn't dying. It's transforming. And based on this Ghost in the Shell reboot, the genre is heading somewhere truly incredible. Look, if you're excited about this, smash that like button. Drop a comment on what cyberpunk stories you want to see next. Subscribe for deeper dives into the narratives shaping gaming and pop culture. We're just getting started. The best is absolutely coming.